Imagine an island where death slithers in the grass, an island so overrun with venomous snakes that even stepping outside could cost you your life. This isn't a horror movie. It's Amami Oshima, Japan, a place once known for its beauty, but in the 1970s it became home to one of the most terrifying snake infestations in history. The creature behind the chaos was the Okinawa Habu, a highly venomous pit viper. Its bite could kill a human in seconds, paralyzing the body, thickening the blood, and shutting down vital organs before help could even arrive. In just a decade, nearly 500 people lost their lives on this island. Medical aid was scarce, and anti-venom storage required electricity, something rural Amami Oshima didn't have at the time. The Japanese government was desperate. So in 1989, they came up with a bold and, as it turned out, disastrous idea. They decided to fight nature with nature. The plan? Release thousands of mongooses, the natural enemy of snakes. Mongooses are fast, fearless, and resistant to venom. On paper, it was genius. In reality, it was a catastrophe. You see, snakes are nocturnal hunters, while mongooses hunt during the day. That meant they almost never encountered each other. Instead, the mongooses turned their attention to easier prey, the island's small native animals. Among them was the Amami rabbit, a rare and ancient species found nowhere else on Earth. Within years, mongoose attacks drove these rabbits to the brink of extinction. To make matters worse, mongooses reproduce rapidly. What started as a few thousand soon became tens of thousands, and the island, once plagued by snakes, was now overrun by mongooses instead. Japan's ecological balance had collapsed. By the 2000s, the government realized the gravity of their mistake. They launched a massive cleanup campaign, deploying trained dogs and expert hunters to capture the invasive mongooses. Over 25 years, they managed to remove more than 32,000 mongooses. But the irony? The snakes were still there. The original problem remained unsolved, and a new ecological disaster had been born. Scientists then shifted their focus. Instead of trying to change nature, they studied it. Researchers began decoding the DNA of the habu's venom, identifying over 60 genes responsible for its deadly effects. This research not only led to improved anti-venoms, it also opened the door to potential medical breakthroughs for diseases like cancer and heart conditions. Japan learned a powerful lesson, one shared by the rest of the world. When humans interfere with nature's design, the consequences can spiral far beyond imagination. And this wasn't Japan's only brush with ecological ambition. China, too, once tried to fight desertification by introducing millions of rabbits into barren land. Unlike Japan's mongoose plan, that experiment actually helped. The rabbits dug burrows, spread seeds through their droppings, and turned dry soil green again. But Amami Oshima's story stands as a haunting reminder. Sometimes, in trying to control nature, we end up battling our own mistakes.